Hello, hello. So, Bongo video. This has become a bit of an issue. Somehow, don't ask me how, but I had to get out of that door because I couldn't open this one, so I had to climb over. And I put my knee on this. Oh, there you go. See, more broken now. Look. So I'm very sad, but it's seen better days anyway, to be honest. It's all a bit grim. I have scrubbed it in the past and stuff, but anyway. Oh, that was a good shot. It's not very well. So what I've done is I've gone online and I have found a 3D print file and I've made a new one. So do you want to see it? Watch this. Ta-da! I had some like funky filament. Wait, let me put the light on. Hopefully that's a bit better. Yeah, it's like funky filament stuff. And there you go. Look at that. Pretty happy with that. It's a bit stringy, but it's a PETG filament for anybody that knows about 3D printing. Normally use like PLA, which is this stuff. But in the car it just melts, or it gets, you know, like warps. So this is PETG. It does well in hotter climates or conditions. These are all like supports to hold, because obviously like where it's printing, it's like it would have been printed on thin air there, so there'd be nothing to sort of support it. So they're like little trees to hold it up. But anyway, I'm going to get it off of here and see if it fits. But it's quite a cool colour. Looks like a plastic bottle of some sort. So these are supposed to just snap off and leave you with like a nice surface, in theory, which it kind of is. Looks a bit grim underneath, but you'll never see that. But there's like loads of little trees here as well. They'll all have to come off. Just skip ahead if you don't want to see this bit, because some people like this sort of thing, some people don't. ASMR, isn't it? Is that what you call it? There you go. Turns out I'm bleeding. Ow. Anyway, we're there. Need a plaster. I rammed that into my... Yeah, that hurt. Anyway, there you go. All the supports are off. That's all the waste. But that is recyclable stuff, so it's not all bad if you put it in the right bin. It's a bit stringy, but we'll sort that out. Just want to see if it fits first, so let's go and have a go. I'm not sure about the colour. It's a bit weird having blue, but it was the only one I had that was the right material, so we'll see. Anyway, let me go and clean this up and then see if that fits. Put a glove on to stop any disease, because I haven't got any plasters. Excuse the mess, by the way. It's pretty grim. Right, will it fit? Right. Put it around the right way, it might. So the little clips are on there. I've got a feeling these might snap, looking at them. I don't know. Ready? Of course, a bit tight. Ah, we're in. Kind of. Need two hands. I'm going to have to use two hands here, hang on. What do you reckon? Again, it does need a bit of a clean up. But now I can put all my things in here. So much stuff. And another cup holder. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cup holders now. Happy days. That'll do. It's better than that. But I'm not really sure about the colour. And it's kind of see-through as well, so you can like see the infill of the plastic. And it's also a little bit big, because it's quite tight. You can't really, I mean, it's good that it's not going to come out, but if I need to get under there, this one comes out a lot easier. So what I might do is order some this colour of that and scale it down slightly, like 99% of the size, and then it will fit a lot easier and it won't be such a mad colour. But yeah, I think it's cool. It's better than that. Just got to get that back out now. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.